Welcome everyone to the very first store of my second store hunting episode here, and this time we are in our own country, Belgium. The first store is called Watana. Yeah, it's pretty vague, this store, because or we will have a jackpot, we will find a jackpot, or we will find absolutely nothing. So let's see. Okay, so I'm now walking towards the car section and I'm very excited. I hope I can find at least something, like at least one car. Then I'll be very happy, for real. Here are some cars already. Stupid plastic cars and this mini racer hauler, which has been here for already, I don't know, 2 years or so. Yeah. So the problem is they rarely get any car stuff in. But the positive thing is I haven't been here for like 4 or 5 months, so yeah. Let's walk towards the actual cars. Oh yeah, I'm afraid. As you guys can see, it's horrible. Absolutely horrible. Look at this. Only one car straight line McQueen. Color changers. And one sad Rocket Racer Jackson Storm. Stupid Hot Wheels are taking over the car section. Oh. Once I hit some cars back here, yes. They're still here, like it's 4 months ago when I hit them here. And they're still here, that's funny. The problem is they're too expensive. Look at this. $12.59 for one single color change from 2017. That's too much. Far too much. So yeah. Sadly nothing new here for today. Don't think I will ever go here again. Because this is just awful. This is garbage. Already are at the second store of today, called Kruidvat, which I also visited in my first store episode in the Netherlands. And yeah, it was a success, but I'm afraid this time it won't be a success, because every Sunday they release a folder on their website. I don't know if that's the actual English translation for it, but in Dutch it's also called folder, but whatever. I'm rambling once again, but yeah. And in that folder they didn't have anything cars related, so I'm not expecting to find something cars related today in this store. But yeah, I will still take a look. Maybe there are some leftovers from other weeks, from last week or so. So yeah, let's see. Third store of this episode is called Toys. I haven't been here in like 10 years, so I'm very thrilled to see if they still have cars in after those 10 years I haven't visited. So yeah, let's see what their selection is. I'm very excited. I hope I can find something, but I doubt it, to be honest. What the heck? They still have stuff from back in 2011 lying here. Like, how? How is this not sold in 10 years? This dude back here, sadly I already own it. And sadly it's the variant without mustache. Then here are these planes. And this El Chupacabra gift pack. I don't know if I'll pick something up. I probably will, because I don't have both of these. And this one either. No, I think I will. $8.95 is not that much for a plane. I think it's a pretty reasonable price, so I will see. We sadly are arrived to the last store of this second store hunt episode on my YouTube channel, and we are finishing off with fun, a pretty big toy store in my area. Hope I can find something here. More chance than the previous store. Maybe I can find the Christmas cars here, but probably not because it's too early to. Oh guys, rip. Got some F's in the chat for my pocket money. But what a banger to end up this second episode of my store hunt in Belgium this time. But bro, look at this. The good old 2017 singles with bonus collector card. Fabulous Lane McQueen, Rusty's Cruz Ramirez, Junior Moon, which is actually pretty rare, but I also got him for my birthday in August last summer. Jesus. At Shrunken twice. And Jackson Storm. Here another Rusty's Cruz Ramirez, Mater, and Jackson Storm. Rusty's Cruz Ramirez once again, and Mater. Here on the top of the rack, some Easter cards. Which have been for already 3 years or so. And they are never getting sold out. So yeah, and some rocket races too. But they are pretty expensive, to be honest. I'm sorry, Barry. Didn't want to hurt you. Only some Barrys and Jacksons, I believe. Oh, clumsy me every time again. Mini racers, but I don't collect them. Pretty cool ones. So yeah, I don't know which one I'll be picking up. I think Atroken for sure, because then I can complete my Mood Springs generation. Maybe Fabulous Slime McQueen also, because I don't have him yet. Yeah, we'll see. I will see you back at home to show you guys all my scores of this hunting episode. See ya. So I finally arrived back home after a very exciting and quick hunt to 5 different stores in my area in Belgium. But before I continue, I first want to excuse me if I'm speaking maybe a bit unintelligible today, since I caught a cold once again. Fortunately though, no COVID-19, but seriously, why do I always have to feel sickly when I plan to record something? That's already the 3rd time in a row. Okay, never mind. Back to business. So, unfortunately, I only got lucky in 2 out of 5 stores I visited. So theoretically, I failed the second episode. But, in general, that actually is a pretty good effort here in these kind of countries where 99% of all its stores are nothing more than just garbage, whereof Belgium is a perfect example. Anyways, maybe I shouldn't have been so harsh for my little lovely country, because let's face it guys, I seriously found cars from freaking back in 2011 in one of my local stores? Like, come on, man, who would ever guess that? I was completely surprised. The cars I picked up from that surprising third store is this very cool El Chupacabra Pit Row gift pack, which I bought for a total amount of €16.95. Maybe a tiny bit on the expensive side, but whatever. And Firefighter Dusty here for €80. What I'm saying, €8.95 exact, which I find reasonable price for a single package plane, since they overall have a slightly larger size than just the regular Cars mainline singles. On second thought though, I also really should have taken that one Platoon Dusty with me, but I was afraid of spending too much money in that day, so I decided to leave the poor guy behind. Afterwards, I still would be spending his price even 4 times as much a few stores later on anyways, so yeah, not my best move to be fair. But if that one was able to hang untouched on their pack since 2014, 7 years straight, it surely can wait for me until my next store hunting episode, right? Ah shit, I feel it, I jinxed it. You will see that he extremely probably will be sold out when I'll come to buy him, mark my words. So, as far as the other store is concerned, these 5 remaining cars are the ones I threw my money on in that final store. Each of them cost me $6.99, what I personally find a great price for singles here in overpriced Belgium, especially for singles plus bonus collector card included. Pat and Fabulous Line McQueen are brand new to my collection, while Cruise and Storm are basically duplicates. They both do have small variations in comparison with my regular Jackson Storm and Rusty's Cruiser mirrors I own yet. Because Jackson Storm here has a brand new pair of window bars, while Rusty's Cruiser mirrors here is in his China version. So after all, I'm happy I made a pretty successful hunt today, together with 7 awesome scores as icing on the cake. I want to send a big thank you to everyone who watched this second episode already of my stir hunting saga, and in case you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a thumbs up below and a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel if you still haven't already, and click on the notification bell in the meantime. So as always guys, stay awesome, stay positive, and most importantly, stay tuned. See y'all in my next video following very soon. So, bye for now.